Hello, my Tuesday morning work friends. We're going to start going over our text structure Tuesday. Okay. Our text today says, did you know there are almost 12,000 kinds of ants? Don't let their tiny size fool you. Ants can lift up to 50 times their body weight. These tiny but mighty insects are social creatures. They live and work together in colonies. Some ant colonies can have a few ants, while others may have millions. In every colony, there are three types of ants: the queen ant, the drone, and the worker ant. The queen ant begins the ant colony by laying her eggs. The drones are male ants. Worker ants have many jobs, such as foraging for food, building the nest, and taking care of the queen. Soldier ants protect the colony from enemies. They stand at the entrance to the nest and use their antenna to detect the smells of enemies such as lizards or spiders. They will fight the enemy if necessary. No weapons are needed. They will use their sharp jaws or mandibles to bite the intruder. Though each ant plays their own role, they work together to ensure the success of the colony. How does the author organize the details in the text above? So, what is the text structure? Okay, we have A, by stating problems ants face and how they solve them. Did you hear anything in that text talking about problem and solution? Let's take a look at B, by explaining how each ant plays a role to help their colony live and grow. When we read that, was it talking about how a colony of ants work together to thrive in their colony? We have C, by comparing the point of view between the queen ant and the other ants. Okay, were they doing any comparing how they are alike and different in their jobs? Or D, by sharing the event of an ant's daily life in order or chronological sequential. Okay, so I hope that when you went through all those, you used your process of elimination and got rid of the ones that you knew that they couldn't be, and hopefully narrowed it down to a 50-50 shot. If I was going to narrow it down, I think I definitely would have got rid of D because it wasn't in chronological sequential order. And I would have got rid of C because they were not comparing the point of view of the ant, the queen ant, and the other ants. So I would take it down to probably A and B. And in the end, the one that I ended up going with is your answer B, by explaining how each ant plays a role to help their colony live and grow. It told us what the queen does and what the workers do and what the soldiers do, okay, and how they all work together in their colony to help them live and thrive. Okay, moving on to Base 10 Tuesday. The Nile River is the longest river in the world and stretches 4,258 miles long. The longest river in the United States is the Missouri River and stretches 2,341 miles. Compare the value of the underlined digits and complete the statement below. So we have the length of the Nile, which is in Africa, and the length of the Missouri River, which is in the United States. So we are comparing the 4-digit in each of these numbers, okay? For the Nile, if this 4, sorry, I got a glare, if this 4 is in our thousands place, then the value of that 4 is 4,000, right? And if we compare the digit 4 and this number, it's in the tens place. So this 4 is only worth 40. Okay. So now if we go down to our question, the value of the 4 in blank is blank times the value of the 4 in this number. And I just got the thing that I'm going to be done in a half or 30 seconds. So I'm going to stop the video here and pick this up in the next video.